Dr. Pat with Little Critters, and we have Bob with us today. And she is 26 years old. And when she was 15 years old, Bob decided to start laying eggs. And so then they knew that Bob was actually a girl. And so we are a geriatric or senior citizen now. And you can see we're sitting a little bit abnormally. And it's because she's starting to get foot and toe arthritis. You can see some of her toes are bent. She's having a harder time perching and gripping. She can, but it's much harder for her to move her toes and to grip safely on perches. And so the owners noticed that she was starting to fall a little bit and having balance problems. You can also see that Bob has a history of feather destructive behavior. She's been chewing or plucking feathers for a very long time, many years. This toe issue is very common in birds. And it's something that I see in almost all geriatric birds at some point in life. My fingers have it, just like all of ours tend to get. But in birds, it's a huge problem for them because they will start to lose their balance. They'll fall and injure themselves. I've seen injured keels when they fall. And obviously, it's painful. And so we're running a blood profile today to check kidney and liver values. And then we'll be putting a prescription of an anti-inflammatory on board, which is very similar to what we would take for inflammation or your dogs would for arthritis, and can greatly improve the quality of life and make a real difference in their comfort and their ability to grip. We will be checking the blood and making sure there's no evidence of gout and other problems. Again, this is very, very typical in senior birds and something that we can do something about. And Bob is older now. She hasn't laid eggs in many years, but Bob became a girl when she laid eggs at 15 years old. We'll do another video on feather destructive behavior or feather picking, but that's a common problem that we see in birds. Foraging enrichment and good nutrition, all very important. Not reinforcing the behavior is also very important. And you can see as she attempts to perch, I'm just balancing her and making sure her grip's okay. You can feel on my fingers that she's just not gripping very hard. So we're going to get her more comfortable and make sure we get her so that her quality of life is as good as we can make it for as long as we can make it. That's Bob.